Hey, walk! Look, it's back. Oh shit. And ladies and gentlemen, for tonight's adventure, it is brought to you by Mickey Mouse, and we're pulling up to the meetup spot. Cool. So we got Jake from State Farm. Geico? I guess we're with Geico today. He's gonna tell everyone where we're going. I'll be right back.
Alright, so I'm doing this announcement.
Holding up traffic and shit so everyone can exit. Dude wants to 40 race me. I'm just giving you shit, bro. Good stuff, man. Your car's sick. I think it's boosted. It's gotta be boosted. He wants one more. Let's take him back to Gapplebee's. Wait. All right, ready? I gave it to him. I even gave him a tap. I didn't mean to do it to you. I'm sorry. I think we need to adjust the hours at Gapplebee's to 24/7. Just park, she's a fan.
What the fuck?
Yo. Don't chill right here, don't try. Come to the cul-de-sac, Ram, leave the premises. Ram.
Fuck away, motherfucker. Get away. Get the fuck away from me, motherfucker. You heard what I said. Get the fuck away. Get the fuck away from me, bitch.
That's so good. Let's pass by this one.
Just like they ran, I'll pull out you motherfucker. Oh. Call one time, motherfucker. I'll see what
About time for the drifting. I'm gonna go join them. So stud driver just went hard as fuck. Solid job with the tandems and everything. And an automatic stock M4. He's gonna get a bird for everybody, damn it. He ain't gonna stop. Let's try to drift this shit. Where's the Toyota? Is that, where's the Toyota? Where are you, my friend? Swing this shit. Show him how it's fucking done. Go swing it. Yeah, go show him how it's done in the roller, bro. Hey man, give me some room. You don't get smacked. Give me some room. Give me some room. Bring it. One more time. One more time. Corolla. One more time. Go get it, you gotta go faster. You gotta come in with the set. Oh my. That dude never backed up so fast in his life, guaranteed. We don't know what this is. This may be a vehicle, this may be a missile, it may just be a drift missile. Did my man just go for the race line? Solid apex right there. And the send is coming. Fully fucking built drift car. Why is he?
Ton of cops.
Hey, walk! Walk! Come on! Actually, fucking book it, book it, book it. It's back. Get the cops. Get the cops. Get the cops.
Wait.
All the way down.
Let's go.
Oh shit.
Don't run them over now.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go. Fuck. Let's go. Go down, go down, go down. The fuck?
Let's go up the hill.
Let's go, go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have made it out completely successfully, safely. We just had to show them the permit, so everything's good. But dude, my girlfriend honestly hates this stuff like so much. That's why she's never in my videos or comes out. So what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna have Dylan call her and like prank call her and be like, Ari just got arrested, they took him, not the car, and like let's see what kind of reaction we get. Dylan, this is what I want you to write down. Alright, it's dialing.
Hey, it's Dylan. It's Dylan. Ari got arrested and they took him but not the car, so he told me to call you.
Oh my god, you're lying. Are you joking?
No.
I hear a car.
Yeah, I'm driving his car. They took him but not the car. They let me go.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
What did he want to do?
I don't know. He just told me to call you because I'm scared.
He's next to, isn't he?
Just got fact.
I knew you were there.
Why didn't she keep saying everything? Like, what the fuck? What did you think? You were scared, what?
Yeah, dude, I was so scared.
No, I'm saying, bro, why did you tell her everything? You thought she was gonna cry or what?
Oh, yeah, it sounded like she was about to start crying. And then I was like, dude, I can't do this anymore. Like,
Dude, when I get home, I'm about to get like shot with like 50 paintballs and slapped with the Gucci belt. See you guys in the next spot. This moment definitely now calls for a Lenny and Larry's break. It appears the bench is occupied. Take a seat right here. You guys ever had a vegan cookie before? Well, if you haven't, you guys gotta try Lenny and Larry's. These things are on another level. This is the mini chocolate chip cookies. It's all fully plant-based. Cookie is on another level. Our fellow CHP officer is next to try this. It's on another level. It's actually really good. Don't forget, guys, you gotta try yourself some of these Lenny and Larry's cookies, alright? Did you really just sit down with me to have a Lenny and Larry's cookie? Here, try one.
No, I don't want one. I'm good.
No, you serious?
Give it to the viewers.
Bro, very good. This is all some other shit. I'm just gonna sit down here for the rest of the night, to be honest with you. You can cut it. I'm on my second pack. Now I'm trying the double chocolate chip. And one of his other compadres has arrived. These things are fucking good, man. I'm gonna beer for the rest of the night. You can cut it. So like, obviously I'm taking my stunt driver's spot right now until we get to the bottom, he can switch. We're just gonna drift this phenomenal road we just got a permit for. Shout out to Acura for the permit. Or, sorry, his name was Akira. Thank you for the permit, dude. Let's get it. Ladies and gentlemen, what a fucking night that was. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we all enjoyed sending it. I'm gonna take off the glasses for this one. Obviously for the Lenny and Larry's cookies, of course. Look guys, BOBO is almost ready for you to have and take home. Let's get those entries filled up. More importantly, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, the whole 9. In the meantime, my name is Ari. These are cars. Peace.